Figure I'd come in and show you guys here my new VFD variable frequency drive install on my Bridgeport mill. Been working on this for a couple of weeks. So here's the mill. Come get rid of the curtains here. So the VFD is inside this box here, this control cabinet I put together. Show you how it works here. So we got this control enclosure. It's got a bunch of stuff in it. It's got a master arm switch on the outside along with an emergency stop. It's got some fans on the top and the bottom too that you can't see there. And wires up to the motor here. See, we bypassed the switch. Don't need the drum switch anymore, it's just bypassed. We have some control cabling. Whoops, sorry. Control cabling right here. That comes up to a remote station right here. You can see the control cabling coming into the back side of the mill. Haven't tied anything down yet. Just finished it up. So here I got a couple of remote controls here, and then I also have a remote display for the VFD, which is nice. So let's turn it on, see how it works. I've already tested, so I know it's going to work. Back here, now we got a brand new twist lock 30 amp on a 2-pole breaker. And I just got this hooked up to some SO cable with a twist lock here. I'll clean all this up later, make this a little more presentable. So now we got power coming over our control enclosure. It's come along this cable here. See, it's wrapped down there, back behind the. That comes up. Let me grab a light. There we go. So you can see the SO cable here coming into the bottom of the enclosure. There's that other fan. So here we got our emergency stop. I'll go ahead and release that. When you push it, stays engaged. So you got twist to release. Get to our master arm here. Engage. You can hear the contactor close there. Some fans are coming on. These other enclosure fans are on a thermostat, so it's not hot enough in there to turn them on. But we see you got a pilot light here. And coming over, you can see we're at 0 speed, meaning stopped. We're ready to go. And here we are, output frequency 0. So let me just grab maybe something to throw in a collet here so we can see something spinning. It's a little hard to see nothing spinning. Down here for a second. Throw a edge finder in there so we can see it spin. Alright, so we can control everything from our remote control panel here. So we got speed here, got a nice variable speed potentiometer. Turn that all the way down, turn it up, forward, reverse, and then I got 3 indicators. Blue is I'm at speed, I've reached the speed I want to be. Green's I'm at 0 speed, I'm safe. Red means I have a fault in the drive. This is go, this is stop. And then of course we have the entire drive control here. We can see output frequency, motor speed, all kinds of stuff. And we can adjust all the parameters as necessary, still figuring all that out. So I got the book here. So let's see what we got. I'll turn this up. We'll be going forward. Let's see, what are we in here? We're in high gear and 1800-ish on my vary dial here. I don't think that's going to show up. Kick that off. Alright, we'll come over here, turn this guy on. So I reach my speed at 60 Hertz. And you can see that guy wiggling, I think. So we come back over here. I can go ahead and adjust this guy. While I'll do that, I'll show you this. That's all the way down. And you can see we're going quite a bit slower there. Crank it back up. Go ahead and stop it. And we're dead. Nice and stopped. See, I can flip it, do reverse, turn it on, back up to speed. Can even flip it in reverse while running. It'll come to a stop and flip right around. I'll do it here so you can see. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Still playing a lot with the parameters. There's lots and lots of parameters in there. This whole book here is pretty much all parameters on how to adjust them, how to get them tuned in right as far as braking, acceleration, deceleration, and those kind of parameters. I got everything set up for the remote panel and the inputs and outputs. That's all set, and I got the motor tuned in, so that was important. So there you go. There's the VFD install, and we are ready to rock and roll. Finally make some chips here. It's only taken forever, a couple of weeks. So talk to you later.